So stock I am watching for the 29th of March 2021 is AVXL, is in pharmaceutical preparations with a 5% short float and a 66 million share float. Essentially looking at this broadening wedge formation, you could call it, where after this big strong push up, we just kind of chopped away sideways, but the range is kind of expanding as this chop happens. So a break of this downtrend line is where I'm interested to get in. Looking for this kind of area right here in the $20 area. We're wrong if we break down below this engulfing candle that happened right here on Thursday.